Well, you see the birds? They down there eating or drinking water, doing something. There's a lot of them in here. Got one right there. Yeah. Come on, go over there talking to me, fam. What's that? Yeah, you want to get out of here? They stole you from out the wilderness? I already know, fam. You ain't even got to tell me. They got a little bit more freedom up in here, boy. Look at that bird flying around. Look at him. They getting it. Look at baby Kai. He trying to get in there with the birds.